everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to customize Talkback gestures for better usability. So now let's get started. First of all, open Talkback settings, go to settings and search for accessibility. Tap on it. There you can see the Talkback option. Tap on it. Again, tap on settings. And on the controls section, you can see customize gestures. Tap on it. Here, you will see a list of gestures that you can modify. Now, choose a gesture, example, open menu, go back, and etc. You can also adjust speech rate, pitch, and other settings for better usability. These steps will help you tailor talkback gestures to fit your needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.